Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you can easily check ping success statistics on your Starlink. So first, what is the ping success? Basically, it's the Starlink and the Starlink router. They both send test pings to the internet many times per minute. So sometimes the pings can be dropped and the connection can basically stay unaffected. So it doesn't change anything, it just sends those text pings to check the internet. So how you can check them is basically open up the Starlink app. Now scroll down and here you have statistics. Now click them and here right at the bottom we have the ping success. So as you guys can see, here we have this device, Starlink, and the router. And here you have a definition of the ping success. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.